Bitcoin is expected to edge down 1.3% by August 17, Crypto Predictions notes. Let's begin with a glance at the most recent market action. Bitcoin has slipped by 0% today and is currently hovering around $63,117.50. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. Crypto Predictions sees the level at $62,266.06 by August 17, which means a fall of 1.3%. Traders Union suggests Bitcoin could slide towards $62,616.44, losing approximately 0.8%. According to Gov Capital, it might be heading towards $63,310.15, an increase estimated at 0.3%. Another prediction from CoinCodex shows Bitcoin could strengthen to $63,755.90, an increase of approximately 1%. And last but not least, CoinDataFlow targets $69,603.17 by tomorrow, representing a rise of 10.3%. This forecast has the highest earning potential. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Looking at the entire range of predictions, the price movement could fall anywhere between a drop of 1.3% and an increase of 10.3%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out CoinDataFlow will deliver the highest return with 10.3% increase in value by August 17. All in all, you could generate between $3 and $103 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, Gov Capital's forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct at 68.9%. By analyzing all 5 forecasts, I've put forward a consensus view. Consensus projections indicate Bitcoin could move higher by around 1.9%. Here's the detailed picture. Consensus modeling indicates a 1.9% move higher, and by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $19 in gain. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 49.9%. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. A bearish outlook is projected by Crypto Predictions, pointing to a decline. Meanwhile, Traders Union expects losses to extend. In this forecast, Gov Capital emphasizes stability, expecting Bitcoin to stay unchanged. The direction outlined by CoinCodex also points toward further gains. The short-term signal from CoinDataFlow is meanwhile clearly bullish. The consensus view, drawn from all analyst opinions, highlights an upward trajectory for Bitcoin in the days ahead. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the upside for Bitcoin. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were released. Yesterday showed how they held up. As a result, the day wrapped up at $63,085.10. The final price showed that just a single forecast was accurate about the trend. The highest accuracy outlook was delivered by Coin Price Forecast. Now let's break things down step by step. The market's range excluded all forecasts. Regarding RI, all but one forecast ended negative. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. In the final stats, Crypto Predictions posted minus 0.5% ROI and $451.7 accuracy. See who came closest to reality in this set of results. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Bitcoin. Aster shows the strongest forecast at 8% and Bitcoin ranks below. Here I've compared Bitcoin with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. If you liked how I reviewed different analysts together, hit like and subscribe to follow the next comparison. Talk to you in the next one.